G'day everyone, it's Turbo Tristan here. In today's video, I really need your help. Now we've got some products here which come from Payesa Hub, which is a local Australian-based online business. I'll put the link just up here on the screen. They've sent us out for Zach Baldy's car a new exhaust system, because as you might have seen on his channel, or you might see in an upcoming video, we're rebuilding and restoring this thing as just a pure track car. So we need an exhaust, and it has to sound good because we're going to be racing at the tracks all around Victoria and maybe even some other states as well. But what they've sent us over here is a full bolt-on pipe kit with an array of different muffler boxes. But let's check this out first. We're going to do a full install video coming soon. This is just a quick video to show you guys the product, and I need your help. I need you guys to help me pick which one of those mufflers is going on here, going on the back of Zach's Beast. Payesa Hub released this bolt-on system. So it is a straight pipe system. You do need to put a flange on for your cat or your test pipe. I'm actually going to chop this up somewhere here. I'm going to put a test pipe at the front and put a resonator in the center. Here it is here anyway. We've got a slip joint, the hangers, we've got the bends all the way around the fuel tank, we've got up and over the rear trailing arm, and it all just slips together. So because I'm going to be just changing a few things, I'm going to weld this up, but you just put the exhaust clamps on there. You can basically slip this on yourself in your driveway in an afternoon if you're happy with a straight pipe, and then the mufflers just slide on the end. But let's check these out, because this is what I need your help with. This is for Zachy Boy's DC2 Integra track car. Now there's 3 different mufflers. We've got a 2.5-inch big fat oval. It's 2.5-inch in, it's got a 4-inch outlet, lobster tail. I think that looks pretty awesome. Then we've got the Canon style with the same 4-inch lobster tail, all stainless steel, 2.5-inch in. There it is there. And we've got the spoon style, or the trumpet style, with the rolled tip here, 2.5-inch straight through with the little cannon here. Because I'm doing this with one hand, I'll hold this one up. So the little pea shooter out there, I think looks pretty cool. And the beauty of these kits is they just slide on. Hopefully this doesn't fall off the bench, but that just slides on there, and you can give it a couple of tack welds or put the clamp on. So nice and simple kit that anyone can do, and that is from Payesa Hub. I'll throw a link in the description to the website, and I'll also put their web address up here and below. Check them out. They're an Aussie-based company, pretty new one. Reached out to me, being that I'm the Honda YouTuber guy around Australia, and we're building some race cars. We've got some exciting collabs coming with these guys very soon, just next month, with a full track build, lots of carbon fiber. You're going to see all that stuff on their website. But let me know in the comments below, do we want the spoon style trumpet, the round style with the lobster tail 4-inch dump, or do we want the big boy 2.5-inch oval barrel style with the 4-inch lobster tail dump? That's it. A really short video, just a few minutes long. This is just a teaser on the build that we're doing for Zach's car. There's going to be a whole episode coming out in the next week or two about how to make your slow car fast at the track. So subscribe for that one. I really need your help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, spool up, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.